Hey, what's up? Good to have you back. Today we're going to build a Haas effect. It's a cool trick that I use quite often in my productions to get my hi-hats to sound very wide in the mix. So now that we're adding more elements towards the track, I noticed that my hi-hat doesn't fit as well in the mix as I originally had it. Because now that we're adding more elements, yeah, the situation has changed. So let's go back to it. And I think the hi-hat could use a little bit more widening. One of the things that I always used in Logic was the sample delay plugin, which was really good to create this Haas effect, which is like where you delay one side of the signal with a couple samples, where though it creates a Haas effect and your ears perceive it as a very wide sounding sound. And there's no such thing in Ableton for that, but we can recreate it quite easily. So what you can do is you should go to your plugins folder and look for the audio unit section from Apple. And there's here AU sample delay. We're going to insert it. And this is to delay your signal by several samples. But if you group it and you create another chain, so one chain has the sample delay and one has the normal sound, and you pan one signal completely to the right and completely to the left. Now when I turn up this sample delay, you will start hearing the Haas effect, and it gives a very wide perspective on your sound. If I drag it further, it will sound as a delay, because then it will be more samples than that the samples actually has audio sound. So it will sound like a delay. And if that is what you're going for, then you can do it this way. But if you just want to have that effect, it is good to stay around roughly 200 samples. So what we can do is we can map that sample selection part, or the sample delay part, and we can even say, let's do it to a maximum of 200. And now it only goes to 200. And that is how you create a Haas effect in Ableton Live. Hey, thank you for watching. I hope you liked that video. If you want to see more, make sure to subscribe. And if you want to check out my music, make sure to follow me on one of these handles. Until then, I'll see you next time.